Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download OpenAI Chat GPT application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and open up your App Store if you are on an iOS device. If you are on an Android device, open up your Play Store. Also make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Now, once you are, go to the search box and type in OpenAI Chat GPT and search. You'll be able to find the official application for Chat GPT by OpenAI. Tap the Get button. In order to download the application on your mobile device, Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like answers to text prompts, and it can write almost anything for you. Once the application is downloaded, you can launch open the app and you'll be able to get it right on your mobile devices. That is how you can easily download Chat GPT application from OpenAI. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.